Hi friends, I'm your Likit from 6M Information Science Engineering. We'll be discussing about the traffic engineering assignment 2. This is my overall fourth video assignment. So let's dive into a topic. So our topic is statistical applications in traffic studies and traffic forecasting. So we'll be looking what are the contents we'll be discussing in this video. The contents are first we'll introduce the statistical planning, which will be done for the traffic planning, the data collection and processing, descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, application of statistical methods in traffic engineering, case studies, challenging and qualities, and future directions. Firstly, we'll talk about the introduction. If we come to the introduction, the first part will be the definition of statistical applications in traffic studies and traffic forecasting. We'll be diving into the definition part. Definition of statistical applications in traffic studies and traffic forecasting. There will be 5 aspects which we'll be discussing as a definition of statistical applications. One is traffic volume analysis, travel time analysis, safety analysis, traffic flow modeling, and forecasting. If we come to the traffic volume analysis, statistical methods are used to estimate the traffic volume data by sensors activated in the traffic signals using the regression analysis and some artificial intelligence techniques and predict the future traffic volume to avoid the accidents. Travel time analysis. It is consisting of two journey time and running time. By using the statistical techniques, we'll be separating those journey time and travel time, and we'll be calculating the total average time taken to travel between the source and destination. Safety analysis. By taking acknowledgement of previous accident data and road characteristics, the driver behavior at the time of accident, the analysis has been done and giving some rules to be followed on some particular ways like flyovers. So, if we go to the driver behavior, there is a theory called PU theory. So, we'll be discussing the PU theory briefly. PU theory stands for the total reaction time of the driver is explained by PU theory. The total reaction time of the driver is an average of 2.5 seconds. In PU, P is meant for perception time, intellection time, emotion time for E, and volition time for V. So it is a brief explanation about this, and we will be discussing about the traffic flow modeling. We have discussed this topic in previous video and the forecasting techniques. If we go to the previous slide, the second aspect of the introduction is the importance of statistical planning applications in traffic engineering. So if we go through the importance of statistical applications, they will be available as five aspects: data collection, planning design, traffic safety, traffic operations, and forecast. Data collection can be done in many ways. If we go to the data collection and processing, there are types of traffic data collection methods: sampling techniques and sample size determination, data cleaning and validation, statistical tools for data analysis and visualization. If we go to the types of the traffic data collection methods, there are basically 7 types: automatic traffic counters, video-based traffic monitoring, travel time surveys, GPS tracking, probe vehicles, Bluetooth detection, manual traffic codes. In this measure of the techniques are used in this modern society, and the techniques like travel time surveys and manual traffic counts are been introduced in the 19th century. So if you go to the video-based traffic monitoring, there will be a AI detection camera will be launched in the traffic signal camera. So it will be identifying the number plate by anomaly detection or number detection. If it come across the vehicle which is having some challans or fines, it will be identifying that vehicle and transferring the data of that vehicle to the nearby police station, so the police can come to the vehicle and stop and ask for the details and complete the previous fee or fine which have been uh, applied to that vehicle. Travel time surveys, these are the surveys which has been done annually by conducting one tenth in every major highways or uh, service roads, GPS tracking, and probe vehicles, Bluetooth detection, and manual traffic counts. These are the modern ways to collect the data of traffic. If we come to the data validation techniques, checking data quality, uh, we cannot we cannot uh, go through the techniques by just seeing the data which has been produced by officers which are appointed for collecting the data, because there will be a human error. So that errors should be identified by the second technique, like identifying errors and cross checking data. The is the data is correct by asking the superior who uh, is appointed to the collecting the traffic data. Data cleaning techniques, after validation of the data which has been sent by the appointed person, there will be some removing outliers, like if the trucks are less, then it is not a major vehicle to be traveled on that road, so they will be removing that vehicle type and handling missing values. uh, Due to some human errors, vehicles can't be counted at accurate level, so they will be launching one sky probe. due by using that, we can have the accurate data, the number of vehicles passed in that road at a particular time, and standardizing the data. These are the techniques which are under data cleaning techniques. If we go to the descriptive statistics, there are four aspects: measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, probability distributions, data transformation, and normalization. Go to the inferential statistics, hypothesis testing and confidence intervals, regression analysis, time series analysis, statistical quality control. If you go to the regression analysis, it is a artificial intelligence technique which is introduced by Microsoft Azure. So by using that regression analysis, we can uh, predict the number of vehicles can be traveled in the future at the particular time. Even if there is no similarity between the vehicles vehicles data with the previous data, so it is a specialty of this regression analysis. If we go to the next topic, applications of statistical methods in traffic engineering, these are the four aspects, like capacity analysis and level of service estimation, travel demand modeling and traffic forecasting, traffic safety analysis and accident prediction, signal timing optimization, and traffic control. So if we go to the traffic safety and analysis of accident prediction, We can control the accidents by three aspects by using the engineering measures, enforcement measures, and educational measures. Engineering measures comes under road design, preventive maintenance of vehicles, before and after studies, road lightening. Road lightening means applying the radium stickers to end of the lanes, because in the night we can't see the lane properly. So due to that, the accidents can be done. And if we go to the another aspects of engineering controls, speed controls come under this prevention of accidents, because due to the most of the riding bikes, they will be going at a maximum speed. Like if the road is if the road is minimal to the 50 km per hour, they will be traveling at 60 or 70. So due to that, the accidents will be more. So if by controlling the speed, the accidents also will be reduced. Traffic control devices, training and supervision, medical check. If we go to the booking of LLR or driving license, there will be a medical check. Like there is two aspects, like hearing and seeing. Seeing means it will come under sight. If you are having any eye problems, like eyesight having more power in that, so they won't give you the driving license so much easily. So it will take time for you who have sight problem. So special precautions for commercial vehicles. Special precautions means if there is any government vehicle, there will be convoys between the two lanes, or it the major government vehicle will be traveling between the two vehicles. So it is called the convoy. Observance law and regulation. The educational measures can be done by the education of road users. Means we should educate the road users, like they should follow the traffic rules, don't drink and drive, don't use the phones while traveling the bike, while traveling in the bike or riding the bike. So safe. And the another aspect of educational measures is safety drive. So if we go into the case studies, case study 1, traffic flow analysis and level of service estimation on a major highway. Case study 2, travel demand modeling and traffic forecasting for a new development project. Case study 3, accident prediction and safety analysis for a high risk intersection. Case study 4, traffic signal optimization and control using statistical methods. If you go through the challenges and limitations while following the traffic planning, these are the limitations of statistical methods in traffic engineering. Challenges in data collection, processing, and analysis. We have discussed this previously. Like there will be human error while collecting the data manually. So they're installing the robots or AI detection camera to avoid these human errors, and using the techniques like data collection and data validation before applying these techniques. Human factors and behavioral aspects in traffic, and policy regulatory issues is the last limitation and challenges on traffic planning. If we go through the limitations of statistical methods in traffic engineering, there are four aspects will be observed. Limited accuracy of data, that is we discussed like human error, and limited scope of analysis, complexity of modeling, human behavior, and decision making. So human behavior can't be judged because so many human behavior will be we can't be constant, because some of the filter directions. Emerging trends and technologies in traffic data collection and analysis, integration of statistical methods with other disciplines, translating statistical results into actionable insights for traffic management.